In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can set up and use parental controls on Roblox. If this video helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for even more useful guides just like this one. Whether you're a parent or guardian, this tutorial is going to help you keep your child safe while playing on Roblox. First things first, go ahead and log into your child's Roblox account on the Roblox website. Up in the very top right corner, you're going to see this gear icon. Go ahead and click it and then select settings from the dropdown. Now locate this left sidebar. There's going to be a parental controls section on here. Go ahead and click on that. And then you're going to see an option that says add parent or enter parent's email address. Now this account is over 18 years old and has been verified, so I don't have it on this. But you'll have that option right here as long as their kid's age is under 13. It's going to give you two options to click on it. Simply select use an existing Roblox account or create a new account if they don't have one already. And as a parent, you are going to be required to verify your identity. This can be done using a government ID or a credit card. Adding a smartphone or adding a phone number makes it quick and easy. Just scan the QR code that's going to pop up to complete that verification. And once you are verified, you're going to be prompted to link your account to the child's account. After doing so, you'll have full access to the parental controls, which you'll just navigate to this same section to activate. From here, you'll be able to set daily playtime limits, view activity history, as well as see how much time was spent playing which games. There's an option to select settings you manage, and this is going to be where you adjust content filters, such as like blocking specific games or types of content, as well as setting maturity levels for your child's experience. Every parent's different, so make sure to take a few moments to tweak these settings to match your comfort level, but that's it. You've now set up parental controls on Roblox and taken the right steps to help keep your child safe online. If this video did help you out, don't forget to like the video and of course subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If you do have any other questions, just comment them down below and I can help you out. But thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.